this video, I'm going to show you how you can create an animation video like this. Creating an animation video is one of the best and effective ways to convey your information and even to promote your goods and your services, okay? So I'm going to show you a video right now that will teach you a step-by-step strategies and the process to create an animation video. For your online meetings, for your course creation, for all your video creation, we are going to see all the steps that you need to take to make an animation video.
You might have come across videos like these on the internet. Have you wondered how are these videos made and how you can make one yourself? Today we are going to see how you can create a free whiteboard animation video. We are going to use a free software and it's going to be very easy to use. Also, you don't need to have any technical knowledge to create your animation. Now, creating an animation like this will help you grab your viewers' attention and it will also help you to convey your ideas with easy to understand visuals. So make sure you watch this video till the end to learn how to create it. So let's get started. I'm Brand from Website Learners and let's start creating an animation video. Now, to create the whiteboard animation video, we are going to do 3 steps. The first step is to install a software called VideoScribe. This is the software which is going to help us create the whiteboard animation video. And it will take you to this VideoScribe website. Now, to install this software, first you need to create an account on VideoScribe. To do that, click Free Trial and it will take you to this page. In this trial version, you can use the VideoScribe software free for 7 days. Now here, enter your details. Click here and click Create Account. As soon as you click Create Account, your account will be created and it will take you to this page. Now here you can see that we have 2 options. Now if you want to use VideoScribe directly from your browser, you can select this option. If you want to install VideoScribe software on your computer, you can select this. We recommend you to use the desktop version where you will find more features than the browser version. So just click here and the VideoScribe software will be downloaded to your computer. Now to install it, click here and you will get this pop-up. Now click Next, again click Next, then click Install and click Finish. As soon as you click Finish, the VideoScribe software will be installed on your computer. Once you've installed the software, it will take you to this page. Now here you need to log into your account. So let's enter the username and password which we used to create our account earlier. So let's enter these details and click Login. Okay, so now we have successfully installed the VideoScribe software on our computer. Once you've installed the VideoScribe software, next, let's go to step 2, which is to create the animation video. So to create that, now here you will find different templates that you can use. You can take a look at these designs and select the template you want and start creating your video. As I want to create a video from scratch, let's click Create New Scribe. Now before creating your animation video, first you need to prepare a script for what you're going to show in your video. Make sure your script is interesting and catchy to the audience. Okay, this is the script that I have created for my video. Once you've created the script, next you need to choose a hand design that will draw and write all the images and text in your video. So to choose the hand design, just click here. And here you will find different types of hand designs. Now to see a preview of any hand design, just click on it. And you can see how the hand will draw the images and text. Now if you like this design, just click here and the design will be added. Once you selected the hand design, now let's start creating our animation video. Here you can see that we have a new canvas. This is the place where we are going to add the text and images to create our animation video. Okay, now let's take a look at the script. First, let's enter this title for the video. So just click here and enter the title. I'm going to enter 3 best ways to save time. Now if you want to change the color of this text, just click here and you will get different colors which you can choose from. And select the color you want. I'm going to choose this one. Then click here. As you can see, the color has been changed. By using these options, you can change your font style. And you can also align your text from here. Once you're done, click here. And the title will be added. Now, if you want to increase the size of the text, you can just click here and just drag it to increase the size of the text. Once you've added the title of the video, now let's say you want to add some images to your video. So to add the images, we need to get a new canvas. And here you can see that we have got these arrow buttons. You can use these arrows to get the new canvas. For example, now if you use this up arrow, the text will be moved upwards and you will get a new canvas. And when you check this video here, the text will be moved upwards like this. So all the text and images will be moved based on the arrows you use. In the same way, you can use all the arrows to go to a new canvas. I'm going to use this. As you can see, the text has been moved and we have got a new canvas. Now to add images, first let's enter a topic name. So just click here, enter the topic name, and then click here. Now like you did before, you can just click here and then drag to increase or decrease the size of the heading. If you want to move your text, just drag and drop the text wherever you want. I'm going to place it here. Now to add an image to this heading, click here, then click here, and search for the image you want to add. I'm going to search for megaphone. And click go. As you can see, we have got different images based on the search. So select the one you want. I'm going to select this. As you can see, the image has been added. You can resize the image by clicking here. Now if you want to move this image here, just drag and drop it where you want. Now if you want to add another image like we did before, just click here. Then click here and search for the image you want. I'm going to search for blind. And you will get these images. Now select the one you want. I'm going to select this. Now like we did before, you can just click here to decrease the size of the image. And then drag and drop the image where you want. Okay, once you've added the images, now let's see how this works. To check it, just click here. And as you can see, the text and the images we selected has been animated. Okay, now if we play it again, you can see that all the text and images are getting zoomed in. Instead of this, what if you want to keep your text and images fixed at one point? So to keep the text and images fixed, just click on the item you want to fix. I'm going to select this text. Then click here. And it will be fixed. In the same way, you can fix all the images and text. Just click on the image. And then click here. Okay, so once you're done, now if we play this, you can see that all the text and images are fixed in the same position. Now let's say you want to increase the speed of the animation. How can you do that? So to increase the speed, just right click on this image, click Properties. Here you can see we have got options to increase and decrease the speed of the animation. So let's reduce the seconds here. Now if you have many images in your video and you want to increase the transition speed between one image to another image, you can just click here and reduce the time. So when this image appears, the next image will appear in 0.5 seconds. Once you're done, click here. Now if we play this video, you can see that the speed is increased. Okay. So now we have created this topic. Next, let's create this topic. To do that, like we did before, let's go to a new canvas. So you can use any of these arrows. I'm going to use this up arrow. As you can see, we have got the new canvas. Now let's add a topic name. Just click here. Enter the topic name. And then click here. As you can see, the topic name has been added. Like we did before, you can resize and move the text. Now to add the images to this topic, like we did before, just click here. Then click here. And search for the image you want. I'm going to search for sand timer. And click go. And here you will get different images. Select the one you want. I'm going to select this. And the image will be added. Okay, in the same way, you can add another image. Now let's say you want to change the color of this image. Just right click on the image. Click properties. And then if you click here, you can see that we have got different colors. Select the color you want. I'm going to select this. And click here. As you can see, the color has been changed. Once you're done, click here. As you can see, the changes have been applied. Now in the same way, you can add images to all the topics. Once you've added the images to all the topics, now let's see how it works. To check it, if you click here, you can see that all text and images we selected has been animated. Okay, so now we have successfully created the animation video. Once you've created it, now let's say you want to add a voiceover to this video. To add it, just click here. And you can record your voice from here. Or if you want to upload your recorded audio, you can just click here. And select the audio file you want to add. Then click open. And as you can see, the audio file has been added. Now if you want to check your audio, you can just click here to check it. 3 ways to save time. First, minimize distractions. Unfortunately, distractions lead to low productivity and increases your stress. Once you've added the audio, just click here. Now if you want to add a background music to your video, just click here. And you will get a list of music which you can add. If you want to hear the music before adding, you can just click here to listen to the music. And then select the music you like. I'm going to select this. Now if you want to adjust the volume of the music, you can just drag the slider. Once you're done, just click here. Okay. Once you've added your background music, your video is ready. Now if we play our video, here you can see that we have got the video with a watermark. This is because we've used the free version of the VideoScribe software. Now if you want to remove the watermark, you need to upgrade your plan on VideoScribe. So to upgrade it, click Buy Now. And it will take you to the VideoScribe website. Now here you will get different types of plans from which you can choose from. Select the plan you want. I'm going to select this and click Buy Now. Here enter your payment details. And click Pay. Once you make the payment, you will be able to use all the features of the VideoScribe software. And you can also download your videos without any watermark. Okay, so once you've upgraded your plan, next, let's go to the final step, which is to download the video on your computer. So to download it, click here. Click Download. Then click here. And the video will be downloaded to your computer. You can see that we have not successfully downloaded the video on our computer and the watermark has been removed. 3 ways to save time. First, minimize distractions. We all face distractions every day. Unfortunately, distractions lead to low productivity and increases your stress. So this is how you can create a whiteboard animation video.
Okay, and there you have it. A step-by-step way to create an animation video, a video explainer for all your tutorials. Remember that practice makes perfect, so don't just relax after watching this video. Go ahead and practice what you have learned, okay? Because this video is going to be so helpful to you that it will be easy for you to make video without even showing your face. So go ahead and learn how to use it. Look for different means you can use it. If it's not working, you keep trying and trying and trying again. So please hit on that subscribe button and help us to share this video so that more people can learn from this video. If you have any question, drop it in the comment section and I'll be willing to help you out in anything, okay?